And the purpose of this video is to show you the easiest and fastest way to create your own 3D NFT ticket animation using my template and Blender. It means you can generate not only millions NFTs but also learn more about this amazing 3D software, which is, by the way, completely free. One of the most important parts is creating a ticket design, which is a base for the animation. That's why this template also includes 10 mockups in PSD and Affinity formats. Change the colors, add your photos, text, and remember to save the final ticket as a PNG file with transparent background. Such image can be easily added to the 3D scene I made in Blender. Here we have two sides, front and back, but I'm just gonna use front of the ticket also for the back side. So once I play the animation, the graphic is visible all the time. You can add any kind of image here, just by replacing the front and back side in the template. To scale the new ticket design, select two objects, front and back, then press S. If you want to scale only horizontally, press X. To scale vertically, press Y. Rotation is automatically made by an empty object, which rules the movement. So by manipulating this one point, you can achieve unlimited results based on your preferences and expectations. You can easily modify the colors, add more elements, change the speed of rotation, or even duplicate the tickets to achieve more artistic vibe. Personally, I like minimalistic style, so I'm going to keep this animation simple and clean, with black background. However, it's also possible to add more light, change the resolution of the render animation, move the camera to see different perspectives, add images as a background, or even a video. If you want to make your own 3D NFT ticket animation that you can sell on any NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, and you need some help, feel free to contact me. This template is available on my Gumroad website, and if you want to use it, find the link in the description below. In my next video you can learn more about 3D art in the NFT world, so see you in the next video. Enjoy!